In this lesson, our main objective is to describe the variation due to environmental influences. Not only genetic factors have influences on the variation. The environment that an organism lives in can also have an impact on its phenotype. Different environments around the globe experience different conditions in terms of the length of the sunlight hours, which may be seasonal, the supply of nutrients or the food, the availability of water, the temperature range, and the oxygen levels. Changes in these factors can affect how organisms grow and develop. For example, plants with a tall genotype growing in an environment that is depleted in minerals, sunlight, and water will not be able to grow to their full potential size, determined by their genetics. So this is how the environmental factors could affect the phenotype. Now, the variation in phenotype that is caused by environmental pressures or factors cannot be inherited by an organism's offspring. This is because only alteration to the genetic component of gametes will ever be inherited. Finally, it's important to mention that in most cases, the variation is due to the combined effects of genetic differences and the environmental influences. It is very hard to distinguish between the effects of the many genetic and environmental influence that combine to produce differences between individuals.